If only everyone was this excited about going to plant. Hey, careful. Going to plant their plants. You got to take the shovel and dig a hole right there.
No, I see something.
You see something?
Yeah.
What is it? A truck. What? That's a pretty good hole. Dig a little deeper. I'm gonna shove it down in there, ready? Can you get that out? Good job. Take our plant right here. We have to work his roots apart a little bit. Can you do that? Just kind of work them out a little bit. Okay, now can you stick them down in there in the hole? Yep, other way, turn them over so that way the plant goes upwards, so the plant will grow towards the sun, right? All right, can you put some dirt in there around him?
Huh?
Can you put dirt around him? You can use the shovel or you can use your hand. Just squirt it in there, yep, that's it, just push it in there. Push it in there, I'll break that piece up for you a little bit, okay? Get some dirt in there. Yeah, dirt on the front, dirt on the back. We'll get some dirt in there, yeah, that's good. All right. Good job, Maverick. Good job. You want to go plant another one?
Uh-huh.
Okay.